Welcome back to today's video. We're going to do the 5-day forecast today. Got some very active weather coming up over the next 5 days, and particularly I think as we go through to the start of next week, when we could bring our first really intense sort of autumn winter storm in across the country Sunday night into Monday. Have a look at that in a moment, but it could be very significant, I think, as we go through to the start of next week. Now, if I get on 5-day forecast, just want to talk about the advertising. There's video ads on the pages at GazWeatherBiz.com. You hit play on the video player, you'll be supporting GazWeatherBiz.com. You don't necessarily have to sit and watch whole of the video ads, just have to hit play, and you will be supporting GazWeatherBiz.com by doing that. Of course, if you want to watch whole of video ads, you're perfectly welcome to do so. Also want to mention the websites that we're using for the 5-day forecast. We've got the radar picture coming from the UK Met Office and charts coming from wetnet.de and weatheroutlook.com, and all the links to all three of those websites can be found on my links page. So we're in a very unsettled phase of weather, have been for quite a few days now. We're properly breaking the Atlantic through and bringing rain in across the country at very regular intervals. We're actually in a little bit of a drier slot today and tomorrow, so things are improving, but as we go through to Friday and then on through the weekend into next week, it's going to turn really unsettled. This is today's radar picture. We've got outbreaks of rain across northern England. That'll be clearing away into the North Sea through the course of the morning into the early part of this afternoon, and then we're going to be left with showers up in the north and in the west as well, but many places today are actually going to be largely dry, so very much an improving sort of day. Today, here's the synoptic pressure chart from the GFS model. The main area of road pressure is to the north of Scotland, but as I say, things are improving. We're taking the rain away into the North Sea, and we're sort of getting this very transient ridge of high pressure building in from the west. This next area of low pressure sitting out in mid-Atlantic will be with us on Thursday night and into Friday. But for Wednesday, we're going to take rain into the North Sea from northern England. But it's a case of showers in the north and the west. Generally quite well scattered. You'll be unlucky to catch a shower today. Most places will stay dry. Rather a lot of cloud around though, although this afternoon there will be increasing amounts of bright or sunny spells coming through. Temperatures ever so slightly down, but still very good really for the latter part of October. Looking at temperatures between around, say, 11 and 16 degrees. 16 is 61 Fahrenheit. Now overnight we're going to build back to a little transient ridge, slightly stronger, so I think we will find the winds dying down tonight, and the showers should become confined to the far north of Scotland. Most places will be dry tonight, and with clearing skies, I think we are going to have a colder night than we've had for quite a few nights actually, with temperatures generally quite widely going down into single figures between around 3 and 8 degrees. Could be some distant fog patches developing in the south as well, with light winds. Of course, the ground is very wet and saturated, so there is potential, particularly in rural localities, for mist and fog patches tonight. But overall, generally quite a cooler night, I think, than we've had for quite a few. Now, this next area of low pressure starting to develop in the Atlantic through Thursday, but we do hang on to that very transient ridge for one more day. So after any early mist and fog patches clear away from the south, I think we're basically looking at a dry day with reasonable sunny spells. But later on, the cloud will thicken up across southwest England and Ireland, with outbreaks of rain and strengthening wind beginning to move in. Temperatures again ever so slightly down, so maybe maximums up around 10 to 15 degrees, but temperatures then will lift up as we go through into Thursday night. Find the temperatures rising, if anything, through the night of this area of low pressure, bringing really wet weather in off the Atlantic, and also strong winds as well. And of course, with winds coming from the south, we are going to find the temperatures picking up through the night. There's the rain coming in through the course of Thursday night into Friday morning. So it's going to be turning increasingly wet and windy through Thursday night. That's going to lead us into quite a wet and windy morning on Friday. I think we're all going to get a spell of really heavy rain sweeping across the country. Eventually it'll clear away through Friday afternoon, and then we'll find skies brightening again with sunny spells coming through, but also showers very likely in the north and in the west as well. Central East is probably largely dry on Friday afternoon once that rain clears away. Temperatures will be very mild, if not warm really for the time of year, between around 12 and 17 degrees. 17 is 63 Fahrenheit, way above the late October average. Going through to Saturday, the next area of low pressure will be developing in the Atlantic. This time we're developing it more in the central and northern Atlantic. So it is going to be eventually introducing some cooler, fresher air, but we've got to rattle these weather systems through during the day on Saturday and into Sunday. Saturday probably starts off on a dry and bright note, but it'll very quickly go downhill with cloud and rain sweeping across the country through the course of the day. Tightly packed isobars as well, so it's going to be windy on Saturday with gales likely around many western and northern hills and coasts in particular, but all of us getting a strong blow through the course of Saturday. Temperatures a little bit down, but still mild at around 12 to 16 degrees, something like that. But as we clear back to rain away through the course of Saturday and in Sunday, we'll start to introduce cooler and fresher air. So on Sunday, I think we're probably looking at some quite wet weather hang on in the east for a time during the morning. The rain from Saturday and Sunday could stall in the east on Sunday morning, but eventually it'll clear away, and then really it's sunshine and showers for Sunday, and some of the showers will be heavy, blustery, with hail and thunder mixed in. Could be some winteriness over the Scottish mountains as well as the temperatures begin to pull down. We're going to be much nearer to the average on Sunday, between around 8 and 14 degrees. You'll notice the difference, and with tightly packed isobars it's still going to be windy with gales around western coast. And notice this developing off the coast of, or out of the west of Ireland, this area of low pressure. We've got a very strong jet stream. There's the jet stream coming through for Sunday, and that low pressure developing in the Atlantic with the jet stream is going to develop it into a very major and significant area of low pressure Sunday night into Monday. So there's the chart for 6 o'clock on Monday morning. Very intense area of low pressure being wound up by the jet stream. Really tight packed isobars, so we've got gales, if not severe gales, coming in on Monday. Monday could be a very stormy day with torrential rain sweeping across the country, but more importantly, some very significant gale or severe gale force winds. It's a way off, confidence is low. I'll be keeping you updated on it over the next few days, but Monday could be significantly stormy, a significant storm possible for Monday, Sunday night into Monday. Now these are the charts from the weather outlook, just showing the weather in your region. This chart for today, we've got the rain across northern England at the moment, but it will go, I think, through the course this afternoon, cleared away into the North Sea. Main generally it's an improving picture, with showers becoming lighter and more sunshine breaking out, very mild. Thursday looks a nice day, mainly dry with good sunny spells. There will be cloud and rain eventually coming into the far southwest during the course of the day, but basically it's a dry day on Thursday. All areas wet for Friday, particularly Friday morning, wet and windy. The rain will eventually clear away into the North Sea, and we'll find things brightening up through the course of Friday afternoon. And then Saturday, I think we find more rain coming in from the west during the course of the day with a very strong wind. Sunday, it's showers or longer spells of rain, and temperatures will be dropping down on Sunday, going back nearer to normal. And then for Monday, well, that's the day when we could get some very stormy weather, and I'm going to have to keep you updated on that. So in summary, we're in a very unsettled phase, and there's no sign of it ending anytime soon. So basically we're looking at showers, longer spells of rain. Now we're in a drier spell for the rest of today and through Thursday, but Thursday night into Friday the rain will come back, and then it's really unsettled over the weekend. Heavy rain sweeping the country on Saturday, followed by really showery conditions on Sunday, always very windy, and then the risk of a significant storm on Sunday night and Monday. So lots going on. Keep coming back to GavsWeatherVids.com, where I'll be updating the ongoing scenario, particularly in relation to Monday's storm. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.